how to add balance and check monthly payments in VOS3000. Go to Account Management, double-click on Current Balance, write the amount and click OK. Now, click Apply and Filter. Balance is added to client account. Now, go to Data Query and select Payment Record. Here you will adjust date and time of which you want record. After adjusting date and time, click Filter. Record will appear in front of you. Now let's add $20 more balance and go to Payment Record panel. After Filter, you will see $20 is added to client account. Note: time and date will appear after each time we add balance to our customer account.